At Van Meter, we have a unique value proposition in that we look at all facets of our business and try to directly align that to become more than just the product on the shelf, really to become the extension of our customer's business. And to do that, the recipe is simple, but it's all about the execution, which can be exceedingly difficult at times. We've built our team and our resources around a platform that helps protect our customers from a lot of the volatility that exists in the solar market. We do that through highly vetted supplier relationships, a strong inventory position, and superior logistics services. And I think when you bring all that together, it helps maximize the cash flow of our customers' business and not only supports their business today, but I think more importantly, the growth of their business in the future.
On the design side of things, one of the bigger parts that we can help with is product selection as well as correct system sizing. So we're not overproducing or underproducing, and we're able to get a system size going for you and make sure that you're getting the right products throughout that, whether that's the correct rail lengths, correct piles for ground mounts, solar panels, inverter sizing, all that. So we're able to ensure that you're getting exactly what it is you're looking for on that job site.
What I provide our solar customers is technical training, both in the field and in the classroom, on best practices, inverter, racking, and module technologies. And then I also hold a couple credentials that are needed on some projects that I'm happy to help loan out to our solar installers. So I know a lot of electrical best practices. I'm also able to take it to the next level with design and blueprint reading and proper electrical layouts. A lot of solar arrays are tied into AC gear work, and that's something I can help our customers understand. We work with vendors all over the world to ensure that the Midwest market are constantly fed with solar product. We also make sure that the vendors we do work with are tried and true. We want to make sure our solar partners are working with solar equipment that we're proud of and we can stand behind.
A big part of project management on our team specifically is helping to ensure the right things are getting to the right place on time, and they're coming on our truck undamaged.
You ought to see the look on our customers' eyes when they have literally every component they need arrive on a pallet on a truck like this, and they just have to show up with their tools.
We're able to help stage and deliver projects as needed, or certain stages of a project as needed, whether there's not room on site to store stuff, it's an unsecured site. So we're able to help ensure that you don't have too much or too little material throughout the process.
I work with all different types of customers, large and small, some developers, some designers. Not all projects and all customers are going to need design, and they're not all going to need that support level. So what I do is I'll tailor those needs and understand where the gaps are in their systems and where we can really provide that value that makes a difference. Also work with them on the sales side of things ahead of the install and ahead of the delivery. One thing that's really important with the development process is the financial piece, the incentive piece, the taxable piece, working with lenders and creating untraditional lending products specifically for solar to help promote that business.
We offer a service that is kind of unique. On-site delivery to farms, to industrial, you name it, we can deliver in anything. But we pride ourselves in not damaging anything. When we drop everything off, we take pictures of it, photos of every delivery, we GPS stamp it.
We really try to manifest our value in a very simplistic, straightforward, and transparent way to our customers. We don't line item them to death. We really try to embed all of these resources that come along for the ride all in one simple, straightforward price. I would challenge our customers, existing and new, to really take a comprehensive look at their business, to understand what their needs are today, and most importantly, what their needs will be in the future, and in turn challenge Van Meter to assist them as they grow.